Hi everyone and welcome to Sh1t Tech. Today I will be reviewing the iTag. So the iTag is basically one of those tile-like displays. Idiot. Which allows you to track whatever you lost. Let's open this box quickly. I know this product is fairly old just because of the writings on the box. Compatible devices: iPhone 6, 6 Plus,
5S, 5C, 5, 4S, iPad 5th, iPad 4th, iPad 3rd, iPad mini, iPod Touch.
It's also compatible with Android 4.3. So there's a lot of mistakes on the box. Good try. Let me get the app first of all. So right off the bat, we see this is a fairly old app because it has this stretch functionality, which I haven't seen in 5 years or something. iTag user manual. Now, one thing I know is that this device has a battery, and it is perhaps fairly old. It's been out since the iPhone 6, and I don't know when it was manufactured. So let's try it out anyways, and hold the tag for 3 seconds. No beep, no good. Okay, I'm back with the set of batteries here, but nothing to open them. Now I'm back with my little handy dandy steak knife. Negative, down. Oh, battery was actually dead. I see a lot of stuff coming up. What's going on here? Let's try this again. iTag, connected. Now my iTag is connected. Let's see what happens when I click on the alert button. So it's not the loudest noise, but it's also a little annoying noise. For the price point, I paid $1.35 for this one. I don't think you can go wrong with one of these. It's basically like a tile or any one of those devices. You won't find your keys if you threw them, 5 blocks away, but it's something if you have a tendency to put things everywhere and not remember where they are. I know someone like that. It's a great little gadget. Let's try it again. Responsiveness is crazy. I wouldn't expect that from a $1.35 little gadget. I disconnected it now. Let's try to reconnect. Very simple, very fast. The connection process is extremely easy. You also have the history of the gadget, which is kind of interesting. This is where my little tag key was last seen. So if you're gonna go out with your set of keys and you have your phone in the other pocket, as soon as a Bluetooth connection is lost, this is where your gadget is gonna be last seen on the map. By all means, if you need one of these, I highly recommend. I'm sure the battery life is pretty great in that. So now let's look at what's inside our little iTag. Then we have our battery, obviously the outer casing, and our chip. We have this Bluetooth thing. This was the iTag. Fantastic little gadget. Other than the fact that the instructions in the box have full of, Other than the fact that the box and instructions are full of spelling mistakes, this would be a lifesaver at least once in your life. So finally, thanks to all of you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you would use one of these gadgets in your day-to-day life or not, and I will see you next time.